Welcome. My name is Miss Swihart, and I'm excited to be your student's third grade classroom teacher this year. Our schedule. At 8 o'clock in the morning, we will start the day with math. We will then go to specials, have walk to read, small literacy groups, whole group reading, recess and lunch, writing, recess, then social studies, science, and extreme math. Our focus in reading in third grade includes vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension. We use a variety of materials, including wonders, novels, and nonfiction materials such as Scholastic News, National Geographic, and science readers. We also participate in read-alouds in our classroom. Reading instruction will consist of whole group and small literacy groups. Small literacy groups are flexible. Groups are made according to assessment data and classroom evidence. Data is used from DIBELS, STAR, and other classroom evidence. AR is an expectation for all students. We will conference with students and set individual goals. Students will also participate in Walk to Read. This is a flexible reading group time in which students will have reteaching of concepts, enrichment, research, project-based learning activities, novel or poetry studies. Writing. We write daily, embedded in all content areas. Personalized learning approach. Writing instruction includes a blend of Lucy Calkins, narrative, opinion, and informational writing. We also use Writer's Workshop and Step Up to Writing. Math is standards-based. It includes real-world problems, modeling and conceptual language, and exemplars. Students will have daily classwork and homework, small group assistance, support, and they will have a review day before each test. The math curriculum consists of GG, multiplication and division, measurement, time, and graphs, multi-digit addition and subtraction, solving real-world problems, polygons, perimeters, and area, and exploring fractions. In social studies this year, students will learn about Colorado Springs history. They will have an intro to economics, and they will understand civics. Other important days include Constitution Day, Veterans Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and President's Day. Students will also participate in Pioneer Day in the spring. Science. This year, the students will learn about rocks and minerals, physical science, and life science. The third grade rotation schedule in the afternoon. For science, your students will have me. For social studies, they will have Mrs. Wayafe, and in extreme math, they will have Mrs. McCaslin. Our rotation schedule is determined by our science kit rotation. This is determined by the district. Throughout the year, our students will participate in various projects. We do a project on the Iditarod. We will do a real-world global connections project with flat connections, and our students will have pen pals from Japan. What you will see this year are student-led classrooms with choices, more self-advocacy and being responsible for their learning, options to demonstrate their learning, project-based learning, and partner and small group work. Please read and sign your student's agenda each night. Weekly folders will go home at the end of the week. This is the Friday folder. It will contain student work, PTA, and school information. Homework is assigned nightly, Monday through Thursday. Please help your students select books in their AR range so they can be successful. Standards and grading. We used a standard-based report card. Grades are based on mastery of the standards. In a true standard-based reporting system, students are scored on their mastery of that standard at the end of the reporting period. Scores or grades are not averaged over the duration of the quarter. How you can help your child. Monitor and sign agenda daily. Discuss weekly folder work. Be very hands-on. Develop a nightly pack-up system. Have daily discussions. Check their homework folder. Make sure your child is reading 30 minutes a day, and please communicate with me often. Parent help. Help is greatly appreciated and needed. Please join our PTA and our SAC. Please support our Apex Fun Run. The run is scheduled for Thursday, September 14th. I am so excited for this school year. Thank you.